as per your update, on the same basis we had started the implementation of the project. So right now I had imported the same dataset into client 1, client 2, client 3 and client 5. So based on those things we are splitting the data over here, and once the split up is over, then we had started for the training, like local as well as global, which you informed. So this will be the local part of training. Okay, you can see over here the training will be start up from here. So 1 minute, I'm just showing you the training part. So it start the 3 channel images with grayscale images 1, and it's showing the hyperparameter, what will be the batch size, everything. And based on that we are training over here, and we are processing the accuracies. You can check what will be the accuracy for here. So totally we had implemented here, so we are typing the accuracy separately. And for the next channel, so on the same basis here also we are executing. For this we are getting the accuracy of the network for training images will be 94%, testing images will be 91%, and validation images will be 95%. So this will be the graph, and this will be the training epochs. So then I started for the execution for the global. Okay, so I called over here what will be the training, what will be the validation and testing part, and then I had imported all the client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4 and client 5 for the training generation. For the training generation I am getting how much images I had uploaded, and then I am processing for the validation. For that how many images is founded, and then testing for that how much images is. Then I am declaring all the code over here, and I started for the training purpose, declaring all the values, all those things, and then I am processing the local and global. So global, it started the execution. Once it is over, it will take long time na. So see here for the startup itself I am getting nearly 95% of accuracies while the training process. Let us see, I given only 5 epochs due to time inconsistency. So once I imported the coding to your laptop, you can increase the epochs, so obviously you can improve the accuracies also.